What if you could own a fully purpose-built 48-unit rental right across from one of Edmonton's busiest campuses with just 5% down and using Canada's most favorable commercial financing program? Today we're breaking down a 48-plex that qualifies for CMHC MLI Select. That's not only steps from NAIT, but also fully structured for strong cash flow, consistent tenant demand, and long-term scalability. Let's get into it. Why this location works? Central McDougall is a rare pocket in Edmonton, walkable, connected, and rich with built-in rental demand. This 48-plex sits just 10-minute walk from NAIT, which serves over 30,000 full-time students and staff. Just minutes from Royal Alexandra Hospital, a short walk to Kingsway Mall, and 10 minutes by car to downtown. In other words, tenants don't need to go far for school, work, or amenities. And that means fewer vacancies, shorter leasing cycles, and more consistent performance. You're not relying on seasonal trends or speculative development. This location already works. The 48-plex of your dreams. The numbers speak for themselves. Priced at $12.88 million, this 48-plex only requires around $644,000 upfront with 5% down. All 48 units share a consistent layout. 2-bedroom, 2-story townhome-style suites, each carefully designed to maximize space and livability. 24 of those units are upper suites, projected to rent at $1,800 per month. The remaining 24 are lower-level units, each expected to earn around $1,650. That gives you a total projected annual gross rent close to $1 million. That's a projected 24.7% cash-on-cash return, approximately $159,000 per year in net cash flow after expenses, supported by a healthy 1.27 debt service coverage ratio. Thanks to CMHC MLI Select, a government-backed program for purpose-built rentals, you get 95% financing, 50-year amortization, and asset-based underwriting that doesn't rely on your personal income. This is high-leverage, low-risk financing that makes the numbers work from day one. The building and layout. This building isn't retrofitted or pieced together. It's purpose-built with tenant lifestyle in mind. Each unit spans 774 to 799 square feet across 2 levels and includes a private entrance. Upper suites feature balconies, while lower suites have large egress windows that let in natural light and boost livability. Every suite includes in-suite laundry, a full kitchen, and a smart layout that makes shared living easy for roommates, couples, or professionals, without sacrificing comfort. This isn't a boxy apartment building. It's modern, purpose-driven rental design in one of Edmonton's most strategic neighborhoods. Who will rent here? When similar purpose-built rentals hit the market near NAIT, they tend to lease fast, and for good reason. You're close from one of Alberta's largest student populations, with over 30,000 full-time students and staff. Add in nurses and hospital staff from Royal Alexandra, young professionals working downtown, and international students looking for walkable access to transit. And you've got a tenant base that refreshes itself every semester. Yes, student-focused rentals can come with a bit more turnover, but when demand is this consistent and location this strong, vacancies don't last long. Why this is rare? Projects like these are rare, brand new, steps from NAIT, CMHC-backed, and fully designed for rental performance. This is more than a solid investment. It's a launchpad. With 95% financing and 50-year amortization, you aren't limited by personal borrowing caps. And because the deal is structured with performance-first underwriting, not your T4 income, it fits seamlessly into any serious investor's portfolio. Student-focused housing isn't for everyone. But if you value efficiency, tenant stability, and long-term yield, this 48-plex checks all the boxes. If you want to walk through the pro forma, get insight on tenant profiles, or explore how to structure your own CMHC MLI Select application, just reach out. I'll help you understand every step and figure out if this 48-plex is the right fit for your portfolio. You can email me at darren@dkwg.ca, call me at 647-467-2971, or book a private strategy session through the link below. I'm Darren Kim, and I'll see you in the next one.